So we're about 30 minutes out from the final closing ceremony of Flood 50. I'm here with my friend Zach. That's Zach. Seriously, one of the best humans ever. Anyways, we've got about 30 minutes till the last time, and I'm so grateful. Oh, it's been such a good weekend, but I am ready for a moment of pause and solitude, so I can spend some time with God alone. But it's gonna be a great night. Here